Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Tesla. Tesla has a bit of an uptick recently. It's gone on a rocket ride. Yeah. So it was down to a low of 620 and now we're back up at 816. Man, this stock doesn't know what to do, let me tell you. It's up to 1200 and down to 620 within a few months. Wow, it's crazy. So it's a great opportunity to sell a cash covered put probably. Alright, look at these technical indicators, man. They're going up, up, up. This thing is going off the chart. And it's above the moving average. It's getting close to that 200-day. Could be some resistance there at 900, but man, I don't know. We'll see. Tesla's pretty strong. So one of the biggest electric car manufacturers around. You guys know I really like Tesla a lot, but it takes a lot of capital to do these positions, to do these cash covered puts, these covered calls and whatnot with the options. So I might just take a small bite of Tesla stock and not do 100 shares at a time, because that would cost a lot of money at this point. Now I know they got a stock split coming up, a 3-for-1, which will really help us out as well. We can do a lot more options trading that way. And Tesla is one of the richest options trading stocks around. So let's go look at the options real quick, just because, man, there's so many options for Tesla. And look, it took a second to load. So many options. Look at all the strike prices we got. This is crazy. All right, it goes so far. And near the money, you're getting $50 almost for 815 bucks. That is just a crazy thing. Let's go down to 70% where I like to be in that area, and let's see what we can get. So we get about I don't know, 660 for $8, which it's a very high probability trade. This 70% is actually up here. I was looking at the wrong column. Not implied volatility. We went probability out of the money, which is, I usually go about 70% where I have good success, and it's about 735 for 20 bucks. Now, man, $2,000, but you have to risk this much capital. $73,500. That's a lot of money, guys. At least for me. I'm not a baller like you guys. So maybe I'll be doing that. Probably not. Don't have enough buying power, I don't think. But stay tuned. Be sure you guys join the channel and subscribe for my real-time stock updates and stock trades, options trades, crypto trades, everything trades. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And I like Tesla a lot going forward. It's a good long-term play. So, but short-term, I think it's going higher as well. Good deal. Thanks for watching.